Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox as well as attempt to assemble my new Spectra M1 breast pump which we got today. You can basically get this in most places. We got this at Motherworks. You can get it in Mothercare as well, and the price of this was, it's stated here that it's $310, but we got it for $248. That seems to be the price that's on the sites at the moment. Breast pump comes heavily recommended from my friends who are also working mothers. Essentially, this brand is supposedly really good because it has very good suction power. It's also very lightweight, and it allows you to do dual breast pump. So this is actually my second breast pump that I'm getting, and one of the reasons is really for me to get something for me to bring back when I go back to work. And there are a couple of variations. There's the M1, there's the S1, and then there's a couple others. I got this because it's sort of the in-between range of the pumps that they have from this brand, which is, by the way, a Korean brand, and this seems to be good enough in terms of the suction power, as well as it's not too heavy and not too complicated in terms of the settings, and it's light enough for you to carry it to work. So this is how the box comes in. You can see that it's actually very small especially compared to the other brands that I've got, whereby the box are like huge. It's 300 grams, so that's how much this weighs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So right off the bat, the first thing that it comes with is the power plug. So this breast pump can be charged, and then you can actually basically use it portably. This is the standard plug for Singapore, and this is where it plugs into the breast pump itself. The second item is the pump itself that comes in this nice little packet right here. And this is how it looks like. Very small, almost fits in the palm of my hand. So it seems to have very easy to understand settings as compared to some of the other models that it has. So it has a plus, minus here, which I think refers to the suction power, the on button. Oh, there you go. It's already charged. That's pretty cool. So that's the on button, and then I think this actually looks at the amount of flow that goes with it, and this is the strength. I'm impressed that it actually comes charged, so that's pretty cool. So I'm assuming that this little guy here goes in here, and you can basically get it charged, and it comes with a pretty long wire as well, so that's helpful. Even around the house, like sometimes I wish that my breast pumps are portable. Okay, it comes with two pumps, so it comes with two sets of like pumps. So that's the first one, and this is the second one. In each bag you basically get a couple of things. You get the Spectra bottle that looks like this. It's very cute. It's like a baby pink type of thing, and it holds up to 160 ml, and it has like a matte type of bottle here, which is pretty cool. Comes with a nice teat there. So that's the bottle that it comes with, and then it comes with the suction tube that looks like this. It comes with this thing, which I wasn't sure what it was at first, but it's apparently the back drip protector. So this is how it looks like. It looks like I don't know, what is it called? A pinwheel, is that what it's called? And it can actually do that. And then of course the thing that attaches to your breast. So again, as compared to the other pump that I have, this looks like a very easy like system to assemble. So the pump also comes with its own little booklet here, as well as some instructions. So according to the instructions here, only 3 things need to be cleaned. The first one is this thing here, which they call the breast shield. So this needs to be washed. The other thing that needs to be washed is of course the bottle and sterilized, I guess. And the last one is the valve, which comes attached to it already. So it comes with an opening there, whereby your milk will come out. So to assemble this, I think it's pretty straightforward. I think this particular backflow protector actually goes in here. Then let's see, so the bottle attaches itself here. And the tubing here, it attaches itself firstly here to the backflow protector. I think this backflow, to be honest with you, I don't know what the backflow protector does, but I think it prevents it from actually going into like the tube itself. Okay, and then this tube goes in here. So the back of this like pump here has two nozzles. First one is being covered, so if you just need to use one, you just use one. And if you need to use two, you basically attach the second one in this nozzle as well. So I'm attaching the first one in here. There you go. So right now I'm going to assemble the second bottle. So both are being connected to this particular pump, and then you would attach this, but that's no need for that now because it's already charged. So just switch that on and start to pump. You could see that both backflow items are already working. So I think it looks really easy to use. I'm quite excited to start using this. I never thought I would be excited to try out a breast pump, but yeah, that's basically my unboxing and assembling of the Spectra M1 breast pump. I hope you guys found this useful. When we wanted to get this pump, we actually couldn't find any videos online that would teach us how it works or how it looks like, so hopefully someone out there would find this useful. So if you did, don't forget to thumbs up right there and subscribe if you're into the kind of videos that I make, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.